Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about my November savings challenge. This is a challenge that I do for 30 days every single year in order to help me get prepared for Christmas. Now, why do I do this challenge? I do this challenge every single year because the end of the year is the most expensive time for most people. This is fall festivals, pumpkin patches, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day. It's basically non-stop spending until the brand new year. And since this time of the year causes most of us to pull out our credit card and swipe for all of the things that we need to purchase for the holidays, I like to plan and help other people plan for this time of the year to make sure that we don't go overboard. In this video, I'm going to talk all about the challenge and talk about how you can join me in order to get prepared for the holidays. So the first thing that you'll see is there is a 30-day savings chart. So this is the chart that I'm going to use in order to help me to save. If you add up all of the numbers on this chart, the total is $1,000, which I know is very aggressive to try and do a 30-day savings challenge for $1,000. And we'll get into some of the additional questions that I get. But the goal is to save all 30 of these numbers in order to reach $1,000. If you want to get a free PDF version of this chart, you can sign up for my email list, or if you're already on my email list, I'm going to send out an email with this 30-day savings chart so that you can download it, print it out, and you can add it to your planner. If you want the cash envelope version, which is the cardstock version of how I do this process, you can also check out the description box. I do have a link to my Etsy shop where you can get a couple of these printed and add into your cash envelope as I am doing here. So like I said, I like to save an amount every single time I am able to save in order to get to $1,000. Now, let me answer some of your questions. The first question that I usually get is, am I able to do this every single day? Now, the goal is for me to save an amount every single day for 30 days. However, most times I am not able to save every single day. What I will usually do is save a certain amount as soon as I get paid, or every single time I get additional money. Maybe I get a refund for something, or somebody covers my lunch, then I will take that money out in cash and put it in my cash envelope here. Another thing that I will do is save the money that I have from my spending envelope. So if you're familiar with my cash envelope system, I have a brown saving envelope, and then I have a black one that I will use for spending. With my black spending envelope, at the end of the week, if I have any money left over in that cash envelope, I will put it in here. So for instance, I had $46 left over in my black cash envelope. So I took that out of there. I put 45 in this very first slot, and I colored in the 45. And then I saved the extra dollar in this next slot to let myself know that this is not counted on my chart yet. But if I am able to add to it, then I will do so and then add that amount in this very next slot. So there are a number of ways that I try and save additional money. The first one, like I said, is I'll be using my cash envelope for spending, and then if I have any money left over at the end of the week, I will add it into my savings challenge. Another thing that I will do is go to the ATM on paydays, and I will pull out a certain amount of money, whatever I believe I can spare, and then I will add that into my savings challenge envelope. But the goal is to save as much money as you possibly can before Christmas. When I usually do this, I usually have hit my goal within 45 days. I don't think I've ever hit it in 30 days. Maybe once before did I actually hit $1,000 in 30 days. However, the ultimate goal is to save as much money as I possibly can. So if you're going to do this challenge, then I would recommend that you just try your best and save as much as you can, but don't focus on only trying to save $1,000. The goal is to save as much as you can within 30 days so that you have way more money than you would have if you wouldn't have saved at all. So the challenge begins on November December 1st, make sure that you sign up for my email list because I am going to be sending the PDF and also some additional saving techniques that I do in order to help you with this challenge and keep you motivated up until we end on December 1st. And also make sure that you're following me on Instagram because I am going to be posting a lot of reels regarding this savings challenge and showing you my overall progress. So make sure that you check the first comment on this video because I will have the link where you can sign up for my email list there, and let me know how excited you are for this challenge in the comments below. I love doing this every single year. It really does help me overall with my savings goal. Ever since I started doing this savings challenge, it has helped me really stay out of debt around the holiday time. If you have additional questions, make sure that you leave them in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.